Hi. Okay, get dressed. And for the pool for the fireworks. I'm gonna do that. And then where the heck are my shorts? I do. I'll be back. Bye.